Today let's learn about redPro Wind Tracking Dashboard. In the redPro tool, select Dashboard under Tracking. Dashboard has 4 quadrants. First, vehicle assignment. Second, geocoding. Third, GPS devices. And fourth, punctuality. Let's explore the first quadrant, that is vehicle assignment. Vehicle assignment shows the graph for 7 days and 30 days. If we go to the date selection option and select 7 days, it shows the data day-wise, and if we choose 30 days, it shows the data week-wise. Let's see what each color indicates. The green color indicates the vehicle is correctly assigned. Orange color indicates the GPS not working. Purple color indicates no GPS. Maroon color indicates wrong assigned. Blue color indicates late assigned. And white indicates no assignment. You can also view the number of passengers affected in the last 30 days here. Upon clicking View Today's Assignment, you can see the list of unassigned services and the number of passengers affected per service. Scrolling down, you can view the list of departed services and the number of affected passengers for unassigned services. Please note, once services are departed, they cannot be assigned. You can also download the report by clicking on Download Report. Second quadrant talks about the geocoding status of boarding and dropping points. You can also view the number of passengers affected by missing or incorrect geocoding, preventing them from navigating to the exact boarding or dropping points. Clicking on View Details, which will redirect to geocoding page. This shows the geocoded status for the boarding and dropping point. Red color indicates not geocoded, and green color indicates geocoded. You can also download the report by clicking on Download Report. Now let's check the third quadrant, that is GPS. This shows the status of devices not working for more than 2 days. Poor customer experience may lead to bad reviews and ratings, which can negatively impact your brand reputation. On the number of passengers impacted by the lack of GPS functionality. Clicking on View Not Working Devices displays a table with the vehicle number, device ID, not working since last packet received, and the last assignment details. You can also download the report by clicking on Download Report. The last and the fourth quadrant is about punctuality. This displays the delayed services and delayed dropping points along with the number of passengers affected over the past 7 days. You can also download the report by clicking on Download Report. Impact on the business if any one of the quadrants are not executed accurately. Unassigned vehicles impact the customer experience by limiting pre-boarding information and can negatively affect SRP ranking. Without GPS, customers can't track the bus, leading to increased support requests, low ratings, and a drop in SRP position. Missing geocoding may confuse passengers about the boarding point location, causing delays and more support inquiries. Use this feature for better inventory visibility. Thank you. Learn and grow with redBus.